All right, guys, it's leftover night, mostly. We're gonna make some udon noodles with, I made a pork loin the other night, which I will do a video of to put on the YouTube channel, which is Make It Italian 1, the number 1. Oh, that was Daisy. She likes to chew on squeaky toys when I get on camera and or on a Zoom call or on a phone call. It's her signature move. I've got some veggies in there, which is leeks, broccolini, what do I got? Bok choy, got some fresh mushrooms, got some fresh Calabrian peppers, got a couple hard-boiled eggs. We're gonna put all of that into with a noodle with the pork loin that I made, and I got a couple pieces of sausage left over, mild, that I'm gonna slice up and put all in there. It's leftovers made fun, good. And I'm gonna add a little bit of heat to it. A friend of mine, Hima, check it out, H-E-I-M-A. You can buy this stuff online, little dragon's booty. It's got some ghost pepper in there, so you better be ready. Anyway, follow along, pretty simple. Okay, first thing, I've got the Better Than Bouillon veggie broth already warming up. I'm gonna put the udon noodles in there, and then we're gonna build everything into a bowl, put the broth on top of everything, and that's gonna be it. Calabrian peppers, start with that. Mushrooms, easy, in the bottom. Hard-boiled egg, exciting to see that being cut, right? Second one, it's crazy, I know. All right, I think I'm just gonna go with one link. I'm gonna have the other one for breakfast tomorrow. In the bowl. This is the pork loin I was telling you about. All this cutting makes for such exciting videos, but it'll give you some ideas. Leftover veggies. Here we go. Excuse my hands, but who gives a shit? Bok choy, broccolini, more Calabrian peppers, bok choy, and what else did I say? Leeks. Here we go. That was grilled pineapple. I'm not gonna put that in here. Gonna add this Hima, H-E-I-M-A. Is that right? Yep. Check it out. I'm sure she's got a website. I know she sells online. I like when my food heats me up a little bit. This stuff is gonna heat you up. Dragon's booty. She's got something a little less intense if you want that. Obviously, I didn't make the noodles. It's not something I'm good at. Why would I? I can buy them. That's a lot of food. This leftover might be leftover, but let me get a bite going here. Forgive me, I cannot find my chopsticks. I'm going around here crazy looking for them and I cannot find them, so forgive the fork. I apologize. Leftovers. Useful. Really, really good. Make It Italian 1, YouTube. Follow along. You don't have to do everything I do. You don't even have to watch all the videos. Hope you enjoy this. I enjoy doing this. Thanks. Ciao. Oh, that's good. Yeah, you want this.